call it as the biggest LSD liquid acid seizure by Goa police and have seized 110 grams of high-micron LSD liquid worth rupees 11 crores 7 lakhs. It may be noted that high quantity of potent liquid is sufficient to produce again 10 to 12 lakhs of LSD blots, which would cost approximately around 3 to 5,000 rupees per blot. So, accused used to sell the drugs in drops and used to lace blotting papers with the liquid and further supply it to his customers as per their requirement. The accused has been identified as Mr. Muhammad Samir. He is 29 years of age. He is a native of Palakkad, Kerala, and has been living in Goa for last 5 years. He was presently running a guest house in Baga. Accused also rented an independent house at Bamanwado, Siolim, where he operated this drug business. The ANC received information that a Kerala native has been dealing in high-micron LSD drops.